Good morning. It is Friday. So today I'm just going to do a quick little video on transmission shudder on the Ford Explorers and the Ford Tauruses. We're talking 11 to 19. This particular one's one I put a front end on years ago. The vehicle's got 175, 180,000 on it now. And when you're driving the vehicle at about 30 to 40 miles an hour, a little bit faster maybe, you'll see the tachometer kind of just jumping up a couple hundred RPMs as you're driving it. You just see it kind of up. It'll go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And you'll feel a little bit of a shudder in the things. 95% of the time, now I've bought a lot of these. I've had a lot of these Explorers, I've had a lot of these Tauruses, all retired police vehicles. And a lot of times it's all they need is just a simple transmission. We'll call it kind of a flush, but basically is what you do is you drain out a gallon, you add a gallon. You drain out a gallon, you add a gallon. Now, what you want to do with these things, and it's very specific, is you have to use Mercon LV. Make sure you use this and only this fluid to do this. Anything else is not going to help you. Mercon LV. Well, while the vehicle's down, I'm going to show you where you actually got to fill the transmission on this thing. I don't know why they do it this way, but this is what they do. If you look way down in there, see that cap? That's where you fill it. A lot of times guys will take this air box out. I mean, you can take all this out of here. Me, luckily, I can reach my arm down in here and I could pop this off. There's no real dipstick on these things that I don't recall. Oh, this one does. This one does have one. That fluid looks okay-ish. Okay-ish. Now I'm going to show you where you drain it. I'm going to put this thing up in the air. I'm going to show you where you drain it. And it's one of those deals, he's got no, they got no pan on them. So, there is a drain plug. We'll get her up there, I'll show you where that is. I'm not going to be doing this whole process on video, I'm just trying to give you guys an idea what you got to do here. And most of the time, doing this will fix this issue. Right there. That's where your drain plug is. So that's all you gotta do, loosen that up, drain all the fluid out, put fluid in it till it's full. Run it. Put a few miles on it. Do it again. Drain it, do it again. Run it, put a few miles on it, do it again. And within 50 miles, if your transmission itself is okay, the shudder should go away. So there's your little tidbit for Friday on one of these sons of bitches. Y'all have a goody goody. Thanks for watching. Off.